Hi, David Beers here, Beers & Gordon in Oviedo, Florida, personal injury lawyers. I wanted to talk just for a few minutes today about product liability claims. Many times in our auto accident cases, we are asked to review whether or not the injuries received by a client were enhanced by a failure of a product involved with the motor vehicle. For example, an airbag that failed to deploy, or an airbag that deployed and created an injury based upon a defect in the airbag components. As many cases have liability issues, sometimes clients may not think to discuss these potential enhancements of their injuries for a potential product liability case. In addition, the client may not be thinking about how the event occurred and whether that was due to a product defect. We have handled, as a law firm, tire failure cases involving significant injuries that resulted in paralysis or death as a result of a defect in a tire. We have expertise in handling these cases, and perhaps significantly, we can also refer the case to a specialist, especially attorneys that handle these cases around the United States. In addition to our automobile cases, where we have the opportunity to evaluate whether or not the injuries occurred or were enhanced as a result of a product failure, we also have noticed recently a large increase in advertising occurring by out-of-state attorneys involving failures of certain pharmaceutical products, specifically prescription medications for various illnesses. It's important to recognize that while these advertising attorneys may appear to be experts, or that at least they claim to be, for handling cases in various states, the fact is your best bet would be to discuss a potential claim with Jim Gordon or myself, David Beers, about whether that's worthy to be evaluated. Because even if we decide we don't prefer to handle the case, we would still be involved if we could refer your case to a specialty attorney, and we would recommend to you attorneys that have specialty knowledge and are handling cases at the national level against these big pharmaceutical companies. Any injury that you have that involves what you believe may involve a product of any type, please refer to Beers & Gordon for evaluation of your injuries.